Welcome to Tammy's Ribbon Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious oatmeal bowl. So with this bowl I decided to cook up some apples and raisins in a pot and get it nice and caramelized. I also had some dates in that pot with the apples. Once that's all in the pot, then get your oatmeal cooked up and ready to go. Toasting up some walnuts and pepitas is always a nice added touch. And also warming up a little bit of peanut butter. Now you're just going to want to add in your apple mixture into your oatmeal. Then top with your favorite toppings. I like to add in the toasted walnuts and pepitas and some seeds and top with some banana or other fruit and then some almond milk. And there you have it, a delicious oatmeal bowl. Good for any time of the day, good for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.